If you want to break into data roles in 2025, data analyst, data scientist, and data engineer jobs, here are 5 pro tips that you want to consider when crafting your resume. The first pro tip is that you want to be very specific about project descriptions in your resume. Instead of saying generic things like you built a dashboard, be clear about what tool you use and who is an on audience and what was the actual goal. So, as an example, you can say you built a dashboard using Tableau tracking user retention for stakeholders who are VPs and product leads. The second pro tip is that have a quantifiable impact. Impact matters. Instead of just saying you built a customer retention model, say that you built a customer retention model that helped increase retention by 10%. The third pro tip is that include relevant skills and tools that you know. Don't just include whatever you want. Be very specific to what the job requests. If it requires that you need to know Python or R or Tableau or Airflow, you have to make sure that you include those in those keywords, especially if you have experience either from the job or these are some coursework that you have learned. And the fourth pro tip is to feature real projects. And these are especially true for those who don't have prior data background and they're trying to break into this. What you can have is a portfolio. Set up a GitHub and download some data set from Kaggle, work out those analytics or ML problem, publish it on GitHub, and there you go. Now you can include those on your resume. The fifth pro tip is keep it ATS friendly. Avoid being overly creative with your resume format. This is not a UX design portfolio. Just keep it 1 page, 2 pages at most, nothing more than that. Skip photos, no graphs, especially no emojis, and no fluff talk. And there you go. These are 5 pro tips that you can leverage to break into data roles in 2025.